Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. In the previous session, I believe that you have understood about the examination pattern, which includes the mode of examination, who conducts it, the duration of the examination, the sections that are actually included in the exam, the time allotted for each section, and the negative marking, the overall marks of the combined defense services examination. In this particular session, we will undergo a various series and detailed analysis of the cutoff marks of the CDS examination, and we will go through by understanding the previous year's cutoff marks, and I will also present you with the expected cutoff marks for the coming up CDS 2 2020 examination. So before beginning, I would like to reiterate some of the most important basic points. I will reiterate with you that the examination of the CDS is conducted by UPSC twice a year, and this is a consisting of 3 papers, which include the English paper, the general knowledge paper, and the mathematics paper, which carry their code as 1, 2, and 3 respectively, where each paper is about 2 hours of duration and each paper carries around 100 marks, wherein which the total marks of the complete CDS examination is around 300. So as per the basic rules and regulations, it is mandatory that you score 20% in each paper. That means you have to score 20 marks in each paper as a cutoff. That means if in any paper you score less than 20 marks, then please make it sure that you had not qualified the CDSE examination. But if in case you score more than 20%, that means if you score more than 20 or 20 plus marks in each paper, that means you consider yourself as a qualified candidate. But for you to be in the merit list, or for you to be in the list of the recommended candidates for the SSB, then the case is a little bit different one. So now let us understand about the cutoff marks of the previous years. Here I will be giving you the detailed analysis of the previous year's cutoff marks based on the written results. One sort of tabular form which I am presenting you, which is in front of your eyes now, this is the cutoff marks as per the written result. That means after the examination. And the another tabular form I will be discussing with you regarding the final cutoff marks, that is the result after the interview. Now why I am giving you two different important set of details. One is because the CDS examination, it carries of around 300 marks, and your interview, the SSB interview, it also carries of around 300 marks. So in total, the complete number of marks would be 600. For you to get recommended to go towards the SSB, it is compulsory that you score well and good amount of marks in these 300 marks for CDS. And also for your name to get shortlisted in the final merit list, it is also compulsory that you score correct amount of marks in the whole of the 600 also. That means even after qualifying after SSB, the number of marks will be added based on both CDS and the SSB. Total number of marks will be added. And there are no marks when compared to the medical board. Medical board just recommends you. So regarding the examination, this is the written result. That means only the examination marks. I am now discussing the number of marks regarding the CDS. The CDS 2 2019 cutoff marks are yet to be released because the things are still going on regarding that. But when we consider the previous year's cutoff marks of CDS 1 2019, then the last recommended candidate, that means that candidate who was the last recommended, he scored up around 116 marks. Indian Naval Academy, it is of around 105 marks. Air Force Academy is 129 marks. And OTA, it is around 78 marks for both males and females. And if you go down, it would be around 116 for IMA, 102 for INA, 131 for AFA, and 80 marks for both OTA, males and females. So this way we have to understand, even if you go down, the number of marks in all of these 5 different courses are all approximately same and are all approximately following a similar sort of pattern. And regarding this particular pattern, see, in the CDS 2016, there was a very large amount of shift in the number of marks that are being considered for IMA also. So this way we have to understand. Now, when I'm telling you about the last recommended candidate, it means that candidate who is the last recommended person. That means he's the among all of the persons who got recommended in the SSB for the SSB interview, the last person got this amount of marks. So this way we have to understand, then we have to analyze number of marks that you have to get. This way you can even understand how much amount of marks that you have to gain. Now, even after you qualifying in the CDS examination, written examination, it is compulsory that you score very well good amount of marks in SSB also. So combining both SSB and CDS, it is around 600 marks, and among all of these 600 marks, the last recommended candidate in CDS 1 2019 for IMA, he scored around 242 marks. For Indian Naval Academy, it is 233 marks. For Air Force Academy, it is 264 marks, and it is 160 for OTA males and 162 for OTA females. This way, we have to understand, and then we can understand how many number of marks are required for you to qualify better and for your name to get appeared in the merit list. This is the way that you have to understand regarding the both cutoff marks. So you have to understand, whenever someone is asking you about the cutoff marks, the first kind of cutoff marks is about the written result, and the second kind of result is about the final result. Okay, written result includes only CDS examination, the CDS 2 2020, which is coming now, but the final examination includes both CDS examination and the number of marks that you scored in SSB. So it is compulsory that you score well and good in both the important cutoffs, so that your name will be there. Even if you score well and good, and if you are recommended through written examination, there might be chances that you might not get your name might not get listed in the merit, or else in the other terminology you can even call it that you might get merit out if you didn't score these amount of marks for these particular academies when considering for the CDS examination. So these are very, very important information that you have to consider and remember. And for you to be in a safer zone, you must score 110 to 120 in case of INA, and the same in case of INA, but it will be slighter more and bigger in case of AFA. That means you have to score any mark or any better score between 120 to 140 in case of Air Force Academy. Whereas in case of the OTA, it would be around 70 to 100 in the written examination. Overall, it is also important for you to remember around the last recommended candidate after interview. Why we are giving this particular section in a much more detailed way? This is because even after you qualify in the CDS examination, there are even chances, even there are many number of candidates, after they being qualified in the examination and qualifying in the SSB, their name hadn't been visible in the merit list, and it is very important that your name remains in the merit list, and that is how even we are giving this particular section also in a detailed way. So for your name to be in the merit list, your marks of both the CDS examination and the SSB must be around 240 to 260 out of 600 for IMA, and it would be approximately same in case of INA, but for AFA it would be a little bit larger case. That means you should score any better score between 250 to 280, whereas for OTA, that means for the short service commissioned courses, it is 150 to 170 is enough and okay. That is it with this particular section of about a detailed analysis of the cutoff marks. I hope that you understood with this particular section. And to get in much more detail regarding this, and for more content and authentic information about the examination and various other details, you can visit our website, and I highly recommend you to download our Android app from Google Play Store. We always dream to fulfill your dreams. Always stay motivated, work smart, and Jai Hind.